Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Bangkok. We stayed at the Nouvo City Hotel and they had these cute little elephants made out of towels, which was just the best. After checking in, we stepped out for the evening. The area we were staying at was so nice. For our first evening here, we wanted to explore Jodds Fair Market. We took a cab here, but on arrival, we realized something was wrong and seemed much smaller than I had read online. We walked around a bit and got the best shrimps and quickly realized that we were just a few steps away from Jodds Fair Market. The real Jodds Fair Market that is here delivered. It had a large variety of street food stalls, so many cute stores and much more. Just so you don't miss out like we did, it's right next to the Unilever building. So it is a big area full of food and shopping. We started our food tour with a small bowl of tom yum soup. Okay, the small bowl was actually quite large. We continued walking around and saw a buffet of bugs. So if you are interested to try it, they had a bunch of options here. However, we stuck to good old mangoes and it was yummy. Then we had some fried chicken. This market was so interesting because they had a lot of stalls just doing people's nails and it was very fun to see. After exploring the market, we took a tuk-tuk back, and because all the food we had at the market wasn't enough, we stopped by this restaurant next to our hotel and had more food. Day 2, we took a boat that would take us to a bunch of stops that I'll be showing you. This day, we were also joined by 2 of our family friends. The first stop was this floating market. We were given about an hour to explore this market and grab a bite if we wanted to do so. How is it? This market was quite artsy. It had a bunch of bookstores and cafes right along the water. We also saw a lot of people buying these colorful puffs to feed the fishes. Then I came across this very pretty bead shop where you can collect some beads and build yourself a necklace or a bracelet. I really wanted to do this, but I didn't have enough time as our boat would have left without me. So if you do come here, run to the shop. Then we continued our boat ride and our next stop was the Big Buddha. It's surreal how big it actually is and how well maintained it was. Then there was this boat selling a bunch of souvenirs. Our third and final stop was the Wat Arun. It was such beautiful architecture. The design and colors on the building was so beautiful and the steps were quite a climb. Okay. Huh? From there was this AC boat that would take you directly to the Grand Palace for 100 baht, and we took that. We reached the Grand Palace. The outside area was so beautiful. However, we didn't end up actually going inside. The heat was killing, so we set up shop in front of the fan. It was too hot to be outdoors, so we came to the central wall to just cool down, have some lunch, and shop around. I've heard Bangkok has a lot of skincare and makeup which are inexpensive, so definitely came to Watsons and Boots to check them out. That evening we explored Chinatown. Started our food tour right at the entrance with some corn dog. Then I got this marshmallow ice cream. It was chocolate chip ice cream inside this marshmallow. Then walked around some more and saw the famous gate. We had more food which I forgot to film, so oops. We ended our night with a foot massage. Day 2, we met the most friendly and fun driver. Day 2 was all about shopping. We came to the Platinum Fashion Mall. After a whole day of shopping, we grabbed some lunch at the food court in Platinum Mall. Right outside the mall, there was this market that we explored in the evening. This market had all kinds of things like clothes, bags, and food. We were the last two ones standing from all the shopping, and now we're on our way to join the others in our hotel. My mom is pointing to the blush that I tried at Even Boy. That evening, we came to see the Asiatique Waterfront Market.
Apo, we are chilling. Okay, all the best. Okay. Okay.
After saying bye to them, we went and had some dinner. I forgot to film when our food arrived, but we ordered a lot of food, and this is mid us trying to eat the food that we ordered. This is the aftermath of our dinner. We made our way over to Khao San Road. Then stopped by to get a massage at Khao San Road. Was enjoying the party vibe right from my massage chair. Comment down below if you have ever tried or will try alligator grill. Day 3, we made our way to the weekend market. Then we came back to have some lunch. Today was travel day to Phuket, so we had to take it real easy.
എന്ത് ഫ്രൂട്ടാ അത്? എനിക്ക് അതിന്റെ ഈ നാരങ്ങ മിഠായി ഇല്ലേ, അതിന്റെ ചോയ എന്തോ അത് നല്ല ബൈ ബൈ.
Then decided to relax and get a pedicure before it was time to go to the airport. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope your week is just as relaxing as this massage. Please do like, share and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. It means a lot.